How to stop call recording announcements on any Android phone in less than 2 minutes. Today I'll show you how to disable the call recording announcement so your recordings are clean and uninterrupted. Whether you're on a Samsung, Xiaomi, OnePlus, or another Android, this guide will give you the smoothest experience possible. First, open your phone settings and go to Apps or Applications. Find your default phone app and tap it. Look for Permissions or Advanced Settings. Then check for anything labeled Call Recording, Recording Announcement, or Call Recording Tone. If your phone allows it, simply toggle off the announcement. If your device doesn't have this option, you can use a third-party call recording app from the Play Store that lets you disable announcements. Open the app, go to Settings, and turn off any call recording alerts. Finally, restart your phone and make a test call to confirm the announcement is gone. This works on most Android devices, giving you smooth, discrete call recordings every time.